Hey guys, how you doing? TEXWX here. Going to be giving you the rundown on Hurricane Irma. Weather Abe's not able to join me, so I'm going to be flying solo on this one. So bear with me. So what we have as of the 5 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, the center is located at 23.4 north, 80.5 west. Max winds 125 miles an hour down from earlier. Movement is west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. So some of the things to note here is the winds, they have decreased. It's down to a Category 3 now, and that's due in part to a landfall earlier this morning in Cuba, and it's continued to kind of skirt along the coast of Cuba, having some land interactions, and it's kind of helped to beat the storm up a little bit. Another thing to note is that it looks like it's started to make its turn towards the north with that west-northwestward motion. However, if that shifts back to a more western motion, or a west-northwest motion continues for a duration of time, like a long duration of time, then we're going to probably be looking at tracks shifting more towards the west. So bear that in mind. That being said, the track that we're looking at here looks like it's going to be making a landfall somewhere near the Tampa area. Weather Abe and I have been talking about more towards Naples, northwest of Naples. So not quite the same impact on Tampa at that time, but still a Category 4 strong storm. So the time frame that they're looking at here is probably sometime 2 a.m. on Monday for a Tampa landfall. Weather Abe and I are looking at more of a 10 or 11 a.m. landfall near Naples, northwest of Naples. That being said, after that initial landfall, we expect it to kind of skirt along the coast and maybe make a second landfall up here in the Big Bend area of Florida as a low-grade Cat 2, borderline Cat 1. From there, it's going to kind of go up into the Georgia area, Alabama, maybe in the Georgia-Alabama border, continuing northwest up into Tennessee, southern Illinois, where it's going to kind of stall out and, fizzle out. So, give you a quick look at the storm, some satellite imagery here. Let's give you some infrared. As you can see, it doesn't have that same symmetric look that it had before when we were talking about it. And to further that, you can see it doesn't have that same deep convection around the center that we had before. So like I said, it's down to a Category 3 now, but it's going to be moving back out over the water, and this is some warm water that's going to be moving back over, so we're expecting it to re-intensify up to a Category 4, a strong Category 4. So just be on the lookout for that. Now, other than that, I would just say, listen to your local law enforcement, stay informed, be safe, still don't go out and fly any kites. I know it's not a Category 5 anymore, but Category 4 is still a very destructive storm. Just want you to be safe and don't do anything stupid. And as always, you can check out our Facebook page, Honest Weather Network, and feel free to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll do our best to answer all of your questions. So with that, stay safe, have a good night, and I'll see you guys later.